it's 9th January. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have UN body pegs India's growth at 7.2% this fiscal. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have Centre to launch new scheme to aid victims of road accidents soon. Again, very important for infrastructure as well as polity and governance perspective. Then we have scam of 2,000 crore in meal scheme detected in Rajasthan. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have women almost disconnected. Up case Panchayat in Rajasthan's Jalore district banned women's access to smartphones. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have South Side story. India intends to build Maitri 2 in Antarctica nearly 40 years after the first permanent research station. Again, very important for infrastructure as well as international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have ISRO and the next big challenge. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have government seeks feedback on draft bill to regulate pesticides, promote safe and effective use. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have allow institutions to start their own animal cells. DU Law Center faculty urge Supreme Court. Again, very important for society perspective as well as for the governance perspective. Then we have Voice for People Driven Conservation. Madhav Gadkil, who passed away in Pune on Wednesday. Again, very important. Then we have Madhav Gadkil's enduring legacy in the Nilgiris Biosphere Reserve. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have India to scrap curbs on Chinese firms that bid for government contracts. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have Textile Ministry signs MOUs with 15 states under Text RAM scheme. Again, very important for polity as well as in economic perspective. Then we have Gen Z millennials in India believe finding jobs will be tough in 2026. Again, very important for employment perspective. Lastly, we have the world page where we have US government unveils plan to control Venezuela's oil sales indefinitely. Then we have India-Europe ties growing can bring stability to global politics, says S. Jaishankar. Then we have Trump withdraws US from UNFCCC, a key climate treaty. Then lastly, we have Russian strikes leave 1 million without water, heat in Ukraine. All these news are very important for international issues perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.